So
Manin kum kakra, manin ko inside kakra. Ma ben ni wule.
say
Enko kakra. Na umaki.
Nipia koye. Sa susu ni fufu.
Fatu wala yembe.
Oh, me pe confusion. Ma nipia ko musi. So na me maki adiwa.
And
Na me maki adiwa no.
You want to go. Who you adwuma?
Me ye me.
Naga woni ho na ye. So na mi so mu ama ko.
Mkasa de time papa.
Who bo adwuma o say ni.
why inside my room for you can't even see it.
That we are here was adwuma. Lela kunta.
This man na from one. And look at the hands up and look to see.
Light up.
Yeah. Lato.
Light up.
Ah. So I woke up this morning and my message was that we're going to continue these pipes. So I don't know if you remember from the beginning. Sorry, boss. Every time they're continuing, they need to make sure that the pipes go beyond and this iron rod go beyond the flow level so that it can continue. They can have continuation. So I had a voice note this morning around dawn that basically the foreman has told them that they need to extend this. So he's come to extend it. So you can see here, they've added here. They've put it in pipe inside so they can go beyond the flow. That's what's happening now. So these are the WCs. These two pipes share the same. I didn't have a choice in that. Let me get out of the ship away. So basically here, you know. And if I'm in no one roots set, Is there didn't be even here ever stand apart from way?
Extended value.
Cafe in the moon somewhere. Now, I sure don't say perhaps not enjoying it alone. We are toilet, I won't join it. I won't share about one of you. Anyway, the neck on it. But wait, there, a separate. Okay.